You're looking at an airborne life support transport ventilator. The unit powers up and comes with a cord. There are external power requirements of 115 VAC with 50 to 60 Hz and 6 amps. Please see our website to view and to bid on this sale. Liquidity Services provides buyers and sellers with the world's most transparent and innovative online marketplaces for surplus assets. We add new inventory weekly with merchandise from government agencies, corporate clients, and commercial businesses. Thank you for visiting Liquidity Services.